Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Prism Plus E55 4K Smart TV. I put the box down on the floor so it's a bit easier for me to open and get the TV and all the things that are going to be inside out. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit easier, and let's get started. Straight off the box, you'll be getting some screws, the stand legs, energy efficiency rating sticker, remote, manual, and the E55 TV. The legs are super easy to attach, literally just screw 2 screws into each leg and you are done. The Prism Plus Eon 55 or E55 is Prism Plus's foray into the television category. Previously, they were only known for their monitors, but now they are here and launching one of the most value-oriented smart TVs I've seen at 599 SGD. The E55, as its name suggests, is a 55-inch television and provides superb quality with a 4K resolution IPS panel. They literally handpicked the best IPS panels, which are the same panels that LG is using, by the way, for the E55, so rest assured the quality will be there. One of the reasons an IPS panel to me is good for the TV is that the colors are amazing on this. It can display up to 1.07 billion colors, which in turn are very vibrant, and it does provide very consistent and natural looking colors while maintaining a good color contrast that supports HDR. Another reason is that viewing angles with the IPS panel is actually really good. Even if you're looking at it from the side, there isn't a shift in image quality, so definitely good for if you're going to be putting this in your home living room. Speaking of living rooms, the E55 will look beautiful in your living room because they've actually used a zero bezel design, which is only usually found on the higher end televisions, which are a lot more expensive, or on OLED screens, which are really premium. The real estate at 55 inches is also big enough that you can sit pretty far back to enjoy watching movies, say on your sofa or chairs, and because of its thin design, which also extends to its body, especially if you're wall mounting this, it barely takes up any space, so aesthetics wise, I like it. Premium looks at an affordable price. I think one of the main reasons I believe this is such a value TV is the fact that it supports the two main apps for consuming video content currently, 4K YouTube and more importantly 4K Netflix. Just in case you didn't know, for Netflix to play 4K natively, it must be officially licensed, otherwise you will need an external setup box, but with the E55, it is all built into the TV itself, which actually makes it very simple to watch your favorite shows at 4K. Also, if you didn't notice, there's actually a dedicated button for Netflix and YouTube on the remote itself. One click and you're in. You gotta love that. If you're not using these apps, the E55 is still a digital ready TV, and they also provide an indoor antenna free of charge. If that isn't enough for you, you can also use the TV to browse to, say, your favorite video streaming websites such as Crunchyroll, Kiss Anime, etc., as it does support the flash player that is required to play videos. That is just some good to know information for you. Anyways, the E55 has a LAN port, coaxial output, 3 HDMI ports, the AV inputs, DVB-T port, VGA port, audio output, and a USB interface. With all these connectivity ports, you can easily connect a TV antenna, PS4, PC, Xbox to this, so you actually have no worries on connectivity options. Overall, at this price point of 599 SGD, it's really a steal. If you want to wall mount this, which I know is important for some people, they do sell a fixed wall mount at 49 SGD and a swivel wall mount which will come in at 89 SGD, which is a bundle price with either the E55 or E43, and the delivery is free. Personally, if I could, I would get an E55 in every room of my house, even though I don't know why I would need it, but yeah, it's such an insane value that I have to recommend this to everybody who's looking to get a new TV. You're getting a brilliant product with 4K resolution, amazing colors, great panel, and all these features rival the top brands, but they are offering it at this pricing, which is just absolutely mind-blowing, especially since the E55 comes with 3 years on-site warranty. Okay, that's been it for the video. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!